You know me, I've been shopping again, and this was at a great secondhand store called the Assistant League of Fullerton. If you ever get a chance, please go over there and check it out. It's a wonderful store, and you're going to be amazed at what I got for $49.57. I got a lot of great items. Just wait until you see what I got. And here is the address and phone number if you would like to get a hold of them. They are not open every day, so before driving over there, make sure they're open and check in about it. I was so lucky. I found 2 teapots that can be added to my teapots collection that I have. One of them is this cute little bunny with a head of lettuce in his arms. And here's another one full of beautiful pansies. Isn't it beautiful? The bunny teapot was $5 and the pansy one was $6. Both are just beautiful teapots. Then I got 4 little egg plates. Aren't they cute? They were $1 a piece. Can't beat the price on that. They're all different and decorated for Easter. Got this beautiful napkin set, pink, looks beautiful for Easter also. $1.50 for all 6 napkins. I got a set of gold ones, a pair for 50 cents. And since I do tablescapes for 2, it will work perfect for me. When I saw this tray, I knew I had to have it. It's very heavy and I only had to pay $5 for it. Here are all the rabbits in the spinach field, or doesn't look like lettuce. I think it's spinach. What do you think? But I thought it was beautiful. That was probably one of my favorite pieces I found. Let me see if I can pick it up a little bit to show you how beautiful it is. And it really is very good quality. I didn't see a name stamped at the bottom, but it's still very, very well made. Then I got 4 egg cups. Now, the great thing about me, I do tablescapes for 2. So I found a pair of blue and a pair of green. Perfect for Grandma. Wish I could have found a pair of the egg plates that were the same colors, but weren't lucky enough for that. Then, this was another great find. It was $3. And look at how cute it is. It's the hare and the tortoise at the finish line. And look who won the tortoise. Oh my gosh, wasn't this beautifully done? And this is a numbered plate. I'm going to turn it over so you can see it. Just wanted to share with you this beautiful plate, and it is a numbered one. So if you like collectible items like this, you need to go over and check out what they have. Now, they had quite a few plates like this, similar, not the same one. So this is the one I really love, so this was the one I bought. But they do have a lot of collectible plates over there, so go give that wonderful store a chance. You'll be surprised and amazed at what you get for your money. And a pair of candle holders. Aren't they cute? They were $5 each. And this beautiful candy dish with the bunny leaning over a head of lettuce. Isn't it cute? That was also $5. We found some really cute collectible items for the holidays. And of course, this beautiful, beautiful plates. These were $1 each. I wish they had some dinner plates, but they didn't. But I think they go fine with a nice plain white plate. What do you think? Leave me a comment and let me know what you thought. So let me know what you thought about my shopping haul. I thought it was pretty good. Just go check out those great secondhand stores and see what you can find. It's a lot cheaper than paying full price, and you can get some really great items. And of course, this beautiful one right here was my favorite. I couldn't believe how beautiful it was and so inexpensive. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please let me know what you thought was your favorite. You know which one I like the best. Probably the one here with the little bunnies and the spinach patch. Of course, I did really love the hare and the tortoise plate also. Beautiful collectible item. And of course, I was so lucky and happy to get so many Easter pieces also. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to let me know which one of these was your favorite. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy and Debbie. Happy thrifting to all of you. Hope you find something that you are going to enjoy. I don't know if I mentioned I got 2 placemats here for $1, and that was for both. You can't beat that price either. Thank you so much. See you in the next video, my dear friends. Don't forget, the Assistant League is a great secondhand store to go to. They are located in more than just Fullerton. They have one in Redlands, California too, and I'm sure they have other ones, maybe even in the area you live. Please check in the phone book and see if you have one near you. They have some beautiful, beautiful things in their stores, and their stores are always a lot nicer than the average secondhand store. Also, their staff are just so sweet, and they donate their time. And please check on their hours because they do change. Look at all the beautiful things that I was able to find for really not that much money. Everything here was beautiful, and only one thing had a little tiny chip out of it, and it was the bunny teapot. And I'm sure we can fix that with a little bit of green paint. But as you can see, all the items I picked up, and they were all very inexpensive. But like I said, the stores themselves are a lot nicer than your average secondhand store, and the staff is so sweet and kind. Please come back and see what other great finds we find. We're always thrifting and checking around. You know how much we love you all. Please, if you're not already following, please think about it and give us a thumbs up and think about joining the family. We try to have something new and different almost every day. And don't forget, starting next month is Alice in Wonderland for April. We want to make sure that you don't miss any of our posts. Don't forget, first day of April, we'll have something up, and every day it'll be something different. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy and Debbie. Don't forget, the Assistant League is a great place to shop if you want nice quality items. Bye-bye for now. See you in the next video, my dear friends.